In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a folder to OneDrive in just about 5 minutes. Let's start off by understanding why OneDrive could be your go-to cloud storage solution. Microsoft's OneDrive offers a secure and easy way to store your files in the cloud. This not only allows you to free up space on your devices, but also ensures that your files are accessible from anywhere at any time. Whether you're looking to back up important documents, share files with friends, or access your data across multiple devices, OneDrive has got you covered. First things first, head over to the Microsoft homepage. You can easily find this by typing "microsoft.com" into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign in button located usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on that button to move forward with the process. Signing in is crucial because OneDrive requires you to access your storage space through your Microsoft account. After clicking the sign in button, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Do so, and remember, this email should be associated with your Microsoft account to ensure a smooth login process. If for some reason you don't have a Microsoft account yet, now would be a great time to create one directly on their website. Moving on, after you've entered your email, click on the Next button to proceed. You'll then be asked to enter your password. Make sure to type in the correct password associated with your Microsoft account. If you've forgotten your password, there's a handy Forgot My Password link right there to help you reset it. Once your credentials have been correctly entered and you've clicked Next, you might be prompted to stay signed in. If you're using a personal device, clicking Yes might be convenient for future access. However, if you're on a public or shared computer, it's safer to skip this option. Now you're officially signed into your Microsoft account. The next step is to navigate to OneDrive. Look for the All Microsoft drop-down menu, which can usually be found at the top of the Microsoft homepage. From the drop-down options, select OneDrive. This is your gateway to Microsoft's cloud storage service. Once you've clicked on OneDrive, you might be prompted to sign in again for security reasons. Go ahead and sign in using the same Microsoft account details as before. Upon successful login, you'll be directed to your OneDrive homepage. It might look a bit overwhelming at first with different options and files you've previously uploaded, but don't worry, we're focusing on uploading a new folder today. On your OneDrive page, look for an option that says OneDrive. It might seem a bit redundant, but clicking on this will ensure you're in the right place within OneDrive to upload files or folders. Now, for the main event, uploading your folder, look for the Add New button. This button is your path to adding new content to your OneDrive storage. Once clicked, it will present you with several options. Among these, you're looking for Folder Upload. Click on it. A File Explorer window will pop up asking you to select the folder you wish to upload. Navigate through your files and select the folder intended for upload. Remember, depending on the size of the folder and your internet speed, the upload time may vary. While we aim for this process to take about 5 minutes, larger folders or slower connections might take a bit longer. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your folder to OneDrive. This process can be repeated as many times as necessary for all your uploading needs. It's a straightforward way to ensure your files are backed up and accessible wherever you go. Remember, OneDrive not only acts as a safe haven for your files, but also allows for easy sharing and collaboration. Whether for personal use or sharing work documents with colleagues, the process you've just learned is your first step to mastering OneDrive's full capabilities. Thanks for walking through these steps with me today. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital tools.